Guys, welcome back. Today we attended the Vivo X300 FE launch event, and we'll take a look at the Vivo X300 FE with the telephoto extender.
So guys, this is the X300 FE. It just launched today in Singapore. And over here we have the pricing, which is at $1,099. Right? So these are some of the demo sets that are being displayed over here. Now let's take a closer look at the X300 FE. So basically you have the 50 megapixel size lens. So this particular phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. So it comes with a 6,500 mAh battery, 90-watt flash charge and 40-watt of wireless flash charge. The OS is Origin OS 6. So it comes with in this case it's this purple version. So you can see that it's actually quite nice. Colors. Here. Okay. So this is the specs. See the specs on here. Alright, this is specs for the phone. And this is the lens. So the event just ended earlier. And now so that's actually quite packed. And we have a bar down here which actually serves food. So these are the specs of the X300 FE.
If you have read our review of the X300 Pro that we did earlier on, we also use this telephoto extender, which allows us to actually zoom up to around 5,400 nm across the causeway. If you have not watched the video, you can actually go back and check out our review on the X300 Pro. Something different from the X300 Pro is that it actually uses a backplate that is slotted into the smartphone, and the telephoto extender is connected to the backplate. On the X300 Pro that we reviewed, it was quite different. It actually uses a casing instead of a backplate. The X300 Pro casing makes the phone look much thicker than the X300 FE with the backplate installed. Let's try and zoom and see how far it can go. Alright, so using the dial, we can actually zoom in all the way to 5,400 nm. That is a pretty good zoom-in levels. I mean, we are considering it's an optical plus a digital zoom. From the first experience, I think that the X300 FE is like a cheaper version of the X300 Pro. There's one noticeable difference is that the X300 FE actually is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, while the X300 Pro was powered by the MediaTek 9005. So it depends on which one you prefer. I would say that the X300 FE is very value for money if you are looking for something that is powerful and can zoom so far with clarity. The X300 FE is now available for pre-order at 1099 and a telephoto extender at 299. For more details, please check out my website. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.